Hello students, we have already discussed about three parts of blood, but today in this video I am going to discuss about fourth part, that is platelets. Now platelets are teeny fragments of special cells which are produced in bone marrow. Platelets are produced in bone marrow. अब बोन मैरो क्या है? बोन मैरो इज द स्पंजी सबस्टांस विच इज प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द बोन. अब देखो प्लेटलेट्स मेन इसका फंक्शन क्या है? तो व्हेन देयर इज कट इन एनी पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, देन ब्लड क्लॉट्स इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स. फर्दर ब्लीडिंग स्टॉप्स. तो जब कहीं कट हो जाता है, कहीं कट जाता है, तो ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है. तो ब्लीडिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है तो उसको स्टॉप करने के लिए ब्लड में जो प्रेजेंट प्लेटलेट्स है ना, वो ब्लड को क्लॉट कर देता है. तो फर्दर ब्लीडिंग जो है स्टॉप हो जाता है. आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द फंक्शंस ऑफ ऑल अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ ब्लड. Today, I am going to discuss the functions of blood, including all parts, means plasma, RBC, WBC, as well as platelets. First point is here, blood carries oxygen. You know that blood carries oxygen from the lungs to the different parts of the body. When we inhale oxygen, then the oxygen is carried by the hemoglobin present in the blood. Next point is that blood carries carbon dioxide, that is CO2, from body cells to the lungs for breathing out. We also know that we exhale carbon dioxide, which is waste material, which is waste product, which is not essential. So this is the role of blood. Next function is that blood carries digested food from the small intestine to all the parts of the body. डाइजेस्टेड जो फूड होता है, जो स्टोर होता है इन स्मॉल इंस्टेंटाइन, उसको कैरी करता है ब्लड और डिफरेंट बॉडी के सेल्स में पहुंचाता है. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट ब्लड कैरीज हार्मोन्स फ्रॉम द एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स टू डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द बॉडी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, ब्लड कैरीज वेस्ट मटेरियल यूरिया from the liver to the kidneys for excretion in urine. अब देखो, just I have discussed about the waste product, that is carbon dioxide is taken out through the lungs, and urea is also the waste product, waste material which is taken away from the body. Next point is that blood protects the body from the diseases. Which part of the blood protects the body from the diseases? Everybody knows about the main part which protects the body from diseases. That is WBC. WBC, white blood cells. White blood cells protect our body from diseases. They kills the bacteria which carry diseases. So we can say that WBC has a special role for the protection of our body. Next point is that blood regulates the body temperature also. ब्लड जो है बॉडी टेम्परेचर को भी रेगुलेट करता है. अब जो टेम्परेचर होना चाहिए अबाउट 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस, उसको कांस्टेंट बनाकर रखता है. अब 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस का मतलब सेल्सियस स्केल पर टेम्परेचर है। अब फारेनहाइट स्केल पर उसको चेंज करोगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 98.6 डिग्री फारेनहाइट। In this video we are going to discuss about the scales of temperature also। देखो सेल्सियस स्केल होता है, फारेनहाइट स्केल होता है, रोमन स्केल होता है एंड एब्सोल्यूट स्केल ऑफ टेम्परेचर दैट इज स्पेशली नोन एज केल्विन स्केल। तो देखो रिलेशन है C/5 इज इक्वल टू F माइनस 32/9 इज इक्वल टू R/4 इज इक्वल टू T माइनस 273.15/5। You know that the pressure of gas of given mass at constant volume becomes zero at minimum temperature that is minus 273.15 degrees Celsius of temperature. This minimum temperature is called 0 Kelvin on absolute scale of temperature, that is on Kelvin scale of temperature. So this is the relation. Next point is that transport in humans, the main transport का मतलब कैरी करना one place to another place. The main transport system in human is the blood circulatory system. In the human circulatory system, blood carries oxygen, digested food and other chemicals like hormones and enzymes to all the parts of the body, which are discussed before here. It also takes away the waste materials like CO2 and urea. The main features of transport in humans have now been discussed in a previous video, and just I have discussed before some time in this video. Now, human blood circulatory system includes two parts, that is heart and blood vessels, and you know that blood vessels contains arteries, veins and capillaries. These three parts combine to form blood vessels. Here we can say that the main job of heart is to pump blood around our body, and the arteries, the veins and capillaries are a kind of thin tubes through which blood flows in the body. In next video, we will discuss about the functions of heart and especially about the functions of arteries, veins and capillaries. Today, I have discussed about fourth part of bloods and functions of blood altogether. So I suggest you to study these points carefully, and in next video we'll discuss about other topic. Thank you very much.